Hey everybody, this is Ashmit and welcome to the part 4 of the Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. So in this series, as you can see, we explore the Python code and if you haven't already watched the first 3 parts, go ahead and watch them and be sure to like and subscribe. Huh. Well, that was a bland intro. Anyway, I don't care. I'm just here to teach, not to gain. Ugh, okay, go. So today we are going to be looking at a machine called the circumference machine. And if you already know that, don't know what is the formula for circumference, it's 2 pi r. So we can just do this. See, now I'm gonna just find out the circumference in 2 lines of code. Let's go. Radius, first we are gonna, and with your current level of skill, level of Python, you can easily replicate this without looking at me, without looking at my code if you already watched the first 3 parts. So that is why I'm recommending you to watch the first 3 parts. It is recommended actually. Okay, so radius equals 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 by 7. No, actually that's the formula for the circumference. So radius equals the input int. If we do this, uh, and this, yeah, that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna do int input input uh, quotation marks and enter the radius radius. Yeah, done. So now we need to do another step, that is make a variable called circumference circum circ, circumference circumference equals uh so circumference is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Yeah, 2. Uh, and first of all, we are going to make this a little bit neat. We're going to put some brackets. We are going to put some quotation marks. Then we're going to enter the the circumference is the circumference is yeah, this done. So done. So now we're just gonna write the formula inside it. 2 into 22 by 7, 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is that variable. And now, without any errors, we are done with it. Now, if I do this, and I hope this will be right, enter the radius 56, done. Oh, I forgot to print the circumference. See, you can make this was a silly mistake actually. Print circumference. I hope I'm not going too fast. Actually, I am. That's ironic. Now, just I will run this. Yeah, now please work. Circumference is 352. Now, let's just see. Let's just open calculator right here. Cal, yeah, let's just open it and look at our thingies. 1 minute. Let me see now. You can also do side by side the calculations. It will just strengthen your brain. 56. I entered the radius as 56. So 56 into 22. 56 into 22 uh, divided by 7. 7 into 56 into 56. Yeah, so there's a problem right here. That is that I'm getting the wrong answer. I don't know why I entered the thing correctly, but No, I just don't know. Well, looks like I'll be completely roasted now. 1 minute. Let me see this again. Divided by 7. Yeah, 7 into into 56. Yeah. Yes. So the answer to this is 352. That means that I'm correct. I told you I would solve this in only 3 lines. If I claimed to solve it in 2 lines, but whatever. This is necessary. Print function is necessary for printing these things. So we can count that. This we will just unsee this. You saw nothing. You literally saw nothing. And now you can see this. You would have took ages to solve this. But now with just three mere lines of code, I did it. I absolutely crushed it. Sorry, I'm getting a little overboard. But 1 minute. Let us do another machine. Now I'll be pausing this video because I want to just figure out the code first. Then I'll be solving this, and I want to figure out what I want to make. So let's just pause this video for a second. Yeah. So after doing a bit of research, I finally figured it out. What I want to make. What I want to do. What I want to do with this interpreter. What I want, well, that's a very long story. So we'll cover that in another video. But anyway, let's move on to the code. So this is the simple interest machine. That is the ultimate cheat code. Get it? Cheat code. Because we are coding and it's a cheat. Well, it's a good joke. It's a pretty good joke. The ultimate cheat code. So, if you're someone from my class watching this video, so you know that we have recently done the percentage and its values, so and its applications, whatever. So, this is the code for taking out the simple interest of anything. You need to enter the rate, you need to enter the time, you need to enter the you will get the simple interest. You also need to enter the principal. I forgot. So let's test this. And if you don't really trust this, so you can do enter these things and then multiply them to find out the simple interest on a piece of paper, and then you can take it out. So 98, just gonna go berserk with this. So 70 and time, let's say 2. So this is the answer 13720. Now let me check in the calculator. Calc, yeah, gonna put in the values. 98 first of all, then into 70, 70, yeah, then into 2. Yeah. So as you can see, you cannot see really, but I know the answer is 13,720, and that is the correct answer. Yeah. If you judge my coding skills because I'm the best coder ever. Huh, well, whatever. Now that is proof that this code works. And this was were all the things. And this video's motive was basically so that you can like really build up your logic and all, like take out these formulas using these, like implement maths into code and making maths fun. Now that's a classic line. And with that, this is Ashmit signing out, and we'll catch you in the next one.